In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how we made $127,710 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, I'm going to share with you guys my method for beginners. I will show you step by step how you can join affiliate marketing business and with $0 without investing any money in paid ads. We will just use free traffic. Okay, for people who already watched my videos, I will share with you guys new Fiverr affiliate service that you should start promoting on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Okay, let's get started. So it took me almost like 2 years to earn this commission. I started this business from December 2021 until today. I'm still promoting affiliate links on Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and so much more. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you my method with Pinterest. Okay, so why it's showing $0 in my balance? Because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account, and when you withdraw your money it will show $0 in your balance. Okay, anyway, so for people who want to start this business and make money with Fiverr affiliates, you just need to go to Google, okay, and you need to search for Fiverr. Okay, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission for each service. And this business is a really profitable business. You can start as beginner. Click on join now if you want to start creating your Fiverr affiliate account. It will take you to this sign up process page. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. Put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, you will be you should have an account like this one. Okay, so you will be directly in this page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go to Google again and you need to create a Pinterest business account. Okay, search for Pinterest like this, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Pinterest, it's super easy and simple. It's easy. Make sure to open a business account, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, so what you will do next, you will click. So first let me show you. If we click over here, so you see over here Pinterest. Okay, you see that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest for free. Okay, 1 billion people every single month are using Pinterest. Okay, 24 ranking, 24 count in its ranking number 24 in United States. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitor. I don't need to explain more. This number is enough. Okay, so anyway, so what you will do after you finish your Pinterest account, go back to your home page. Okay, go back to Fiverr. Okay, and so right now I'm gonna share with you guys which affiliate link you should start promoting on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. This is one of my profitable services. Okay, click on the search for Etsy SEO. Okay, search for Etsy SEO. Okay, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, so why I choose this service? Okay, because people who are using who has Etsy stores, they are using Pinterest. This is from my experience. I found a lot of Etsy stores link on Pinterest. People are using Pinterest to promote their Etsy stores, okay, to get more sales, increase sales, traffic, and that and so much more. Okay, so those people who are using Pinterest to promote their Etsy stores, they will be interested to buy this service. Okay, so I want you to pay attention. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like top rated seller, level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. I'm gonna choose this one. This one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews. This price is really fair enough for people to try this service. I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. Okay, just copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. Okay, click on default and deep links, click over here and put this profile link seller this profile seller link here. Click over here and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest, go back to your home page, click on home feed, click on create pin, and it will take you to this page. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. So you should see over here about this gig. Click on his picture. Okay, upload this picture to your laptop. I will upload. Click on save image. I'm gonna name it SEO Etsy. Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest account. Okay, open, and here you go. Scroll down. So what you need to do next, you just need to put your title over here. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page and you need to copy his title. Copy his title like this, go back to Pinterest, put this title over here, description, go back to his profile page, scroll down. You should see over here about this gig. Okay, click on more. This is his description. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this description like this. You will copy just this part, go to Pinterest, put this description here like this, scroll down. So you need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to this go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, go to Pinterest, put this affiliate link here like this. Click on choose a board, click on create a board. If you have a new account, click on create a board, and you just need to create a board. Just give it a name and that's it, and you can create as many as you want. Okay, I will choose this one, scroll down. You need to put here tags, keyword. Okay, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down like this. You should see over here related tags. Okay, copy those keywords like this, go to Pinterest and put those keywords here. And those are very important. Make sure to use as many as you can. Okay, because those are very important. Okay, Etsy SEO, Etsy shop, and like this. After you finish, click on publish. Okay, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. Okay, like this. This is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your title, this is your description. That's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. It's super easy and simple. If you have new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. For example, like one affiliate link in the morning and one affiliate link in the evening. Okay, put some hours between those between each those services. Okay, because if you start promoting a lot of affiliate links and you have new account, your account will get banned. Okay, so if you don't want to get banned, promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. You need to warm your account. Okay, after a few months, then you can promote a lot of affiliate links per day. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel, because I will still share with you guys more affiliate links, new affiliate links that are profitable. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.